Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and we are in Longmont? Louisville, Colorado, at the RUPES USA factory. My old buddy Dylan is going to be showing us around, so come take a look at the new facility.
All right, guys. Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to RUPES USA. Welcome.
Hi there. Hey, Jason, you're here. Look at that.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you. We're here.
Let's go. Let's follow Jason.
Follow Jason into the Bigfoot Academy, right? So we have our test subject in for the day, a very, very scratched up Escalade. Thanks to our buddy Tom for bringing this in, and whatever rental company for not knowing how to properly care for paint. So we have our full wash bay. It's almost set up as if somebody's going to do a giveaway of some kind in there.
Oh, my goodness.
I know, like as if you have to guess the number of pads to win something cool. Oh, weird. So yeah, full functioning wash bay, waterproof walls. Overhead, we've got high pressure rinse, we've got spot free rinse, we've got soap dispensers, in-floor drains. It's basically a commercial car wash just for us to use to prep cars like that filthy Escalade so that obviously we can't polish or sand on a dirty car. We have right immediately off of the training space the actual classroom. So it's cool. We can do, obviously educational piece in here and then immediately take somebody out to the academy and do, practical. Like you just learned this, now let's apply it in real life, right? So we'll walk you back through the academy and we'll go through the lobby and show you past customer service, and then we'll get to see the manufacturing area.
We get authorization.
You get authorization. It's only temporary, and if you share anything with the outside world that you see here, like put it on YouTube or anything, I have to kill you.
So, but this is the manufacturing space out here. So again, note natural light. So lots of natural light. You can hear all the work going in the background, but the way this is all set up is all of our raw parts come in, whether it be packaging, washers, bearings, motors, whatever, labels. It all comes to these lower racks, gets broken down into smaller quantities. Obviously, you don't need a million bearings all at once. They go to there, they work their way to the back stations, and they sub-assemble and they work their way forward. These pallets get filled up, and you can see a bunch. We'll actually walk over there. We were building deluxe kits yesterday, so we've got a heck of a lot of room back this way, primarily just for expansion. With all this additional space, we add more lines. We can build pneumatic tools. We'll maybe add, maybe the gear driven, the rotary. What's next, we're not sure yet. It's kind of market dictates what gets built next here. But
All set for a 3-on-3 tournament. Yeah.
Exactly, and in the meantime, we get a really, really sweet indoor basketball gym. So it's not so bad. So upstairs, this is where all the admin stuff happens. So we've got Rob is our operations guy. Carolyn was downstairs. She's HR and legal. My office. Jesus, our engineer, is there. And then all of this is for future expansion, new employees. Again, we've only been here for not even 2 full months yet, really. And so now that we've got the space, we start hiring more people. And then our conference room here, which again, the cool light fixtures.
I see you have pizzas.
Yeah, pizzas.
Yeah, already started drawing them out.
Yeah, we start drawing them out. Who wants what? And then we have this really cool view overlooking the academy, so we can actually see Jason washing the Escalade right now.
Yeah.
Making him work.
Yeah, and so you stand up here and you just stare at him and then shake your head disapprovingly when you don't like what he's doing.
And then pull this down.
Hey, and they go. Do you have a PA so you can say you missed a spot?
No, I like the nonverbal cues. They're way more menacing that way. You just go. And then pull that down so he has no clue if you were laughing or not afterwards. But yeah, so that's the entirety of the facility though. So again, set up for growth, set up for the future. We're not in for the short term, we're in for the long term. So thank you. I love the light fixtures. That's kind of my favorite thing in here. And here we are back at the lobby.
Thanks, buddy, for letting me do this and come on here. I'm excited for the week. We're going to be hanging out. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos right here on the Rag Company YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like it and leave a comment below if you like the place. And as always, you can check out Dylan and RUPES USA at
RUPESUSA.com, Facebook.com/RUPESUSA.
So there you go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.